Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Previously I had made two videos regarding trading in FNO. One was relating to applicability of tax audit in case of trading in FNO and another was relating to ITR filing for trading in FNO. The link to those videos will be provided in the description below. You can go there and watch them. In today's video, we will learn about computation of turnover in case of trading in FNO to determine if tax audit under section 44AB is applicable as per revised guidance note issued in 2023. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. As per the 2023 guidance note on tax audit under section 44AB, the turnover in case of derivatives, future and option is determined as follows. The guidance note further clarifies that the turnover calculation discussed here is only and only for the purpose to determine the applicability of tax audit under section 44AB. Total of favorable and unfavorable differences. The turnover includes the total of all favorable and unfavorable differences from squared off transactions. Premium on options. Premium received on the sale of options should be included in the turnover. However, if the premium is already included in the net profit calculation, it should not be added again. Reverse trades. The differences arising from any reverse trades entered should also be the part of the turnover. Open positions at the year end. If there is an open position at the end of the financial year, the turnover from such transaction is considered in the year when the transaction is actually squared off. Delivery based settlement. In a derivatives transaction settled by delivery, the difference between the trade price and settlement price is considered as turnover. If the underlying asset is held as stock in trade, the entire sale value is also considered as business turnover. Now we will see some hypothetical examples to illustrate how turnover is calculated for future and options to determine the applicability of tax audit under section 44AB. Example 1. Trading in futures. Scenario. A trader enters into a futures contract to buy 1000 shares of company A at rupees 500 each. Later, the contract is squared off at rupees 520. So in this case, the turnover is computed as follows. The profit on squared off transaction is rupees 520 minus rupees 500 into 1000 shares, which comes up to rupees 20,000. The turnover is absolute profit. As discussed earlier, in case of squared off transactions, the turnover is absolute profit. So in this case, the turnover comes up to rupees 20,000. Example 2. Trading in options. Scenario. A trader buys a call option for 100 shares of company B with a strike price of rupees 150 and pays a premium of rupees 10 per share. The option is sold for rupees 15 per share. Let's calculate the turnover based on the given scenario. Calculation of turnover. First we'll compute premium received on sale of option. We can see here the option is sold for rupees 15 per share. So rupees 15 per share into 100 shares is equal to rupees 1500. Profit on sale of option. Profit is equal to selling price minus purchase price into number of shares. So in this case it is rupees 15 minus rupees 10 into 100 shares, which comes up to rupees 500. Turnover calculation. The turnover is the total of absolute values of the premium received and the profit or loss on the transaction. In this case, the premium and the profit are added to calculate the turnover. Hence, the turnover is equal to rupees 1500 plus rupees 500, which is equal to rupees 2000. Example 3. Multiple transactions in FNO. Scenario. Trader buys an option and incurs a loss of rupees 3000 on the squared off transaction. Trader sells another option and gains rupees 5000. A future trade is squared off with a profit of rupees 2000. Hence, in this case, the turnover is calculated as follows. The absolute value of the profit or loss has to be considered. Hence, loss on first option, the absolute value has to be considered. So, rupees 3000. Profit on second option, rupees 5000. Profit on future trade, rupees 2000. Turnover, total of all absolute profit and losses. So rupees 3000 plus rupees 5000 plus rupees 2000, which is equal to rupees 10,000. Example 4, derivative transactions with reverse trade. Scenario, a trader enters into a reverse trade in futures resulting in a favorable difference of rupees 8000. Another reverse trade results in an unfavorable difference of rupees 2000. So in this case, the total of both favorable and unfavorable differences have to be considered. So favorable difference rupees 8000 and unfavorable difference the absolute value has to be considered, so rupees 2000. So total turnover in this case is rupees 10,000. Example 5, open positions at year end. Scenario, a trader has an open position at the end of the financial year. The turnover is calculated in the next financial year when the position is squared off, and the difference, either profit or loss, would be included in that year's turnover. Example 6, futures with delivery based settlement. Scenario, a trader enters into a future contract for 100 shares at rupees 2000 per share and it's settled by delivery when the price is rupees 2500. In case of delivery based settlement, the difference between settlement price and trade price is considered to be the turnover. Now let's calculate the turnover in this case. Difference between settlement price and trade price, that is 2500 rupees minus rupees 2000 into 100 shares, which is equal to rupees 50,000. So in this case the turnover is rupees 50,000. These examples show how different scenarios in FNO trading contribute to the calculation of turnover, which in turn helps determine whether a tax audit under section 44AB is applicable. I hope this video provided you with the clarity regarding computation of turnover to determine if the FNO transactions have to undergo tax audit under section 44AB. If this video was informative and useful, please like, share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you all in the next video.